A marketing class at MTSU recently got a chance to connect classroom learning with a national media project. Students reviewed this year's Super Bowl commercials as part of the university's ongoing partnership with USA Today. During the discussion, USA Today's senior content strategist Rick Suter joined the class on Zoom, answering questions and breaking down how brands measure what works after the big game. The collaboration started 3 years ago as a way to bring Gen Z voices into the national ad conversation, and it's grown ever since.
So this means that our students start getting a critical thinking. They were talking about music, they were talking about celebrities. So they are kind of starting seeing how they impact the reaction of people when the people are watching the advertising. So for me, this is a real experiential learning.
Students didn't just watch commercials, they debated them, compared reactions, and talked through why certain ads landed while others didn't.
I feel like what I learned is that the importance of having that broad kind of getting the perspective from everybody and meeting in the middle kind of. So I feel like that was pretty cool.
Moments like this are designed to push learning beyond the textbook, helping students understand what they're seeing not just during the Super Bowl, but in advertising all around them.
So this is what I want in my classes. I want them to say, I go out from this class and I have learned something. I can practice something. Now I know what I'm watching.
With interest growing each year, organizers say they hope to make the partnership even bigger next time, keeping students connected to real industry conversations right here in Murfreesboro. For MTSU, I'm Carly Sutton.